Sam, where are we?
The Pittsburgh International Airport.
Why are we here?
To fly to Los Angeles.
What time is it? 5 yet?
Yeah, it's exactly 5.
It's 5 o'clock exactly. We just got through security and everything. We just got to our gate. This is a first for literally everything for me, so I've kind of been freaking out. But yeah, we have an hour until we start boarding, and I'm so excited. I just saw our plane, and I was like, oh my god, that's so big. And it's probably not even that big of a plane.
It's a big plane.
Oh, well, and I met a subscriber, and it wasn't even 5 in the morning, so we'll see what this trip brings. I don't know, I can't believe that today's actually here. And I got very emotional last night because, like, flying is something that, I don't know, like, I've just always, like, I don't want to say, like, dreamed of doing, because it's not, like,
well, it's
like a life goal or anything, but yeah, like, it's actually happening.
You've always wanted to do it.
And I'm making it happen.
Okay, so we made it on our flight. We're about to take off. We have like another half hour until the plane leaves Pittsburgh, and then like 5 hours and 30 minutes until we get to Los Angeles. And she's excited.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Why?
Because we need B-roll.
Same time on.
I'm literally watching the sky, like, get moved. How much longer do you think it'll be before we take off?
Probably another like 15 minutes.
This is probably like very uneventful, but I'm like, I don't know, the sky looks really pretty. So why are we just like driving around right now?
We're going to get a de-ice.
Oh my god, look at the sky. It's so pretty. The camera doesn't even do it justice. That happens very frequently.
In the cold months it does.
It's only like 15 degrees out right now. Like where we are, right? Isn't it like 15 to 20 degrees out?
Yeah, that's so cold though.
Well, like, I know, I'm saying that isn't like, it's really cold. How long does this take?
An hour.
Shut up.
No, I'm joking. It's gonna take 10. flying over the Grand Canyon and I looked out my window and I was like, what is that? Wow, this is my first time seeing any like red rock like this. I don't know, seeing it makes me think of Aspen and Parker because like they live in Utah and like every time they're vlogging you just see like all the red rock behind them. And where we live it's like a lot more like woodsy and like around.
Wow, the wings are doing that thing again. I did not know that. I can see the ground. I'm looking at Los Angeles. Oh, we're going down. We're here. We landed. This actually happened. My first plane ride ever is complete. We are at LAX. We landed, we got our luggage, we're waiting for our Uber, and then we have to go get our rental car, and then we're gonna go straight to our Airbnb, which I'm very excited for because I feel very gross right now, and like my hair's getting frizzy because it's humid. And then we're gonna get started with our day. So we're like 3 hours behind like home time, so like I feel like it's like noon, but it's, what time is it, like 9?
9.
Yeah, it's like 9. So I don't know, I like that. I'd rather like gain a day like that. So yeah, we're just waiting for our Uber. I can't believe I'm in Los Angeles. So we made it to our Airbnb. It is so cute and it's in a really good location. So we're like in the hills, and I like that it's not like super city-ish and it's a little bit more quiet. So we got here, it's like noon right now. We ordered some food because we didn't want to go out right away. We are going to be hanging out with some of Sam's friends later, and I just wanted to like kind of give you guys a little bit of backstory about why we're here. For those of you that first of all don't know who Sam is, him and I have known each other since like freshman year of high school. He was one of me and Ryan's friends, and we've just like known each other for a really long time. And last May, me, Ryan, our friend Emily, and Sam went to Washington DC together. And then Sam just like travels a lot, and he actually took a gap year from college and he did an internship with the Thirst Project, which is located in LA. So he's actually lived here before and he's very familiar with the area. So we just like decided that it would be fun to come back. So we're gonna be going out later, but we just both feel gross from traveling. So I'm about to take a shower and like do my makeup and like put on a cute outfit, and we're just gonna order food for now, eat, and then we're gonna go out later and like explore, and we're gonna go out to eat with his friends later. But I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of that backstory. Whoa, that's good lighting. Okay, so I showered and I changed, and I want to show you guys what I'm wearing. There's a full-length mirror over here. Okay, so here's what I'm wearing. I have on this off-the-shoulder top that's from Loft, and it's like a floral print with like some blue and teal. You guys can kind of see it a little bit better there. I'm not obsessed with the way that it fits because, I don't know, the sleeves have like a singed in part. I don't know. But whatever, I'm wearing this, and then my jeans are from Abercrombie. I love them. They have that like frayed hem, which I really like, especially for more of like a spring jean. And then my sandals are from J. Crew Factory like 2 years ago. They're one of my favorite pairs of sandals, and it's really like rainy and gross out, so I didn't want to wear any expensive ones like my Jack Rogers or my Tory Burch sandals. So these ones I don't really care if they get wet. And then I might put on a pair of earrings, but I don't know, I kind of like it without earrings. So yeah. So I actually don't know if I ever even told you guys what we're doing. I know that earlier I told you that we ordered food, but we had an issue with that, and Sam accidentally had it sent to the car rental place instead of our Airbnb. So we are going to Lemonade instead, and I'm very excited. I know that it's a really popular place to eat at.
I didn't order all this for myself.
Yes, he did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
I ordered for you to try.
We got mac and cheese and sandwiches and lemonade and a big macaroon. We're happy campers.
Try the truffle mac and cheese.
Right now? Is there like something in it?
There's truffle in it.
I don't know what truffle is.
Try it.
Is it seafood?
No.
Yeah, that's really good.
Yeah, I told you.
So we finished up at Lemonade, and I actually didn't know it, but we're on Melrose right now and just like driving around. They have all like the cute shops and stuff. So we're just kind of like seeing the area. I don't know where the pink wall is because everyone always takes pictures in front of the pink wall on Melrose. But we're gonna go drive down, is it Hollywood Boulevard? Yeah. So we're just kind of like sightseeing and whatnot right now. We're gonna meet up with Sam's friends at 5, and it's like 2:30, so we just have some time. And obviously there's a lot to see, so yeah, we're just driving around. Plus it's a rainy day, so it's like we don't really want to be outside like walking in the rain, but I still want to see stuff. So yeah, the houses are so different from what they're like at home. Are these nice houses? That one's really pretty. Are these like expensive? Is this an expensive area? Look at that house. I love that house over there.
I mean, they're all like expensive.
We're in Los Angeles, everything is expensive. Wow. That one's like super modern. I don't think I like that as much. I don't know what's going on there, but we're on what?
Hollywood Boulevard.
Oh, we're on Hollywood Boulevard. It's so cool because they have like city with palm trees in the middle of it. Pittsburgh doesn't have that. Oh, these are the stars. Wow, I didn't realize that they were like
Oh, they go on
just like on the sidewalk like that. I thought it was this like fancy area designated just for them.
That's really cool in there.
What's that?
Dolby Theater.
The Tragical History Tour. Am I part of that? The Dearly Departed Tours. Why did that just pull up in front of me? 1-855-600 dead. Why? This is what my life has come to. Okay, so it's been a little while since I last vlogged. We went to Lemonade and then we actually ended up just going grocery shopping. We got some stuff to keep here, that way we don't have to like spend a bunch of money and go out every single time we're hungry. So we just got like cereal for breakfast and bananas and water bottles and just like basic stuff because we don't have a full kitchen. We just have like a sink and a microwave and fridge and stuff. So we just got some things and now we are getting ready to go hang out with some of Sam's friends. So we're gonna see Evan and Alejandro. Wow, I'm literally vlogging my chin. I haven't met any of them before, but I've heard lots of stories. So I'm excited. Do you have anything to say?
They are like some of the most amazing people on this planet.
You say that about everyone.
Everyone is amazing.
My mom calls Sam Mr. Sunshine because he is always happy and he sees the best in every situation. And I need more of that in my life because my life's a joke. Ugh, it is so cold. So it has been a long time since I vlogged. We ended up hanging out with Sam's friend Evan just a little bit. We got dinner and then just like we're talking and stuff, but it's literally 9 o'clock and Sam and I are both just like done. We are so exhausted. So we came back and I am going to end day one's vlog here. I can't believe that like, I just can't believe everything that happened today, like my first plane ride and just like the fact that I'm in Los Angeles right now, that just seriously blows my mind. So I have many more vlogs to come. We're gonna be doing a lot of really, really exciting stuff. Today was just kind of like settling in and everything, but we have a lot of very, very fun stuff planned for this trip and I just can't wait. So I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you want me to do more vlogs, if you have any other content ideas. Yeah, just let me know in the comments and I will go ahead and talk to you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.